Hi everyone, I just wanted to introduce you to this week's module, especially for those who have not utilized Blackboard before. So we are in Charlie Hogan's module. Right here I have included your learning objectives in two different ways. When you click on them, it should open up the objectives. If you have any issues seeing the objectives, please let me know. You are going to need to see the objectives in order to meet the learning outcomes of each week's module. Next, we have an arterial sheath post test. This will be completed at the end of this week. If you click on it here, you will see that you do get multiple attempts. You get 2 attempts. It is a forced completion, meaning that if you have not finished, then it will automatically shut and take the highest score. Also, you cannot just leave, save, and come back. This is, like I said, a forced completion. You will also have an hour to complete the test, so keep that in mind because, like I said, it will force complete. And it contains 7 questions. I also have a learning activity this week, and it's due on 12/6/2022. And then we have a discussion post. It'll be due October 31st at 11:59. If you click on here, you'll hit Create Thread in order to begin your discussion post. And now let me show you how to get back to my module. You'll click on Online Classroom, go right here to Charlie Hogan's, and then you're here. So that's good. So that's how you navigate to this page. And then we have an essay question here, and this will be due 12/6/2022. I did include the rubric. If you go here, you will see View Rubric. Just click on that, and there's your rubric. And then also, we are using SafeAssign for this assignment, so you will have to agree before you submit, okay? If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. I don't want to have any delays due to not knowing how to utilize Blackboard. So like I said, just please reach out to me. Thank you.